Welcome to Ekascloud online courses. In today's video, I'm going to explain about Terraform state management. In this topic, first we are going to see about overview of Terraform state. Terraform state serves as a cornerstone in infrastructure management by acting as a record of your infrastructure state. It captures essential details such as what resources are being created, their configurations, and their relationships. Conceptually, you can think of Terraform state as taking snapshot of your infrastructure at a specific moment, enabling Terraform to understand the desired configuration. For example, suppose you are using Terraform to manage a cloud infrastructure on AWS. In this scenario, Terraform state would maintain a record of resources like EC2 instances, S3 buckets, and VPC configurations. For instance, if you have defined in your Terraform configuration file to provision 2 or 3 EC2 instances with specific configurations, Terraform state would keep the track of these instances along with their settings and dependencies. Now I'm going to explain two states of state management. First one, desired state. Second one, current state. Desired state. This represents the ideal configuration of your infrastructure as defined in your Terraform configuration files. It outlines the resources you want to create, the configurations and dependencies between them. For example, in your Terraform configuration file, you might specify a desired state to create an EC2 instance with a specific instance type, security groups, and tags. Now I'm going to show my desired state. For that, first I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. In this, I have EC2 instance.tf file and S3 bucket.tf file. And provider.tf contains details about AWS providers, access keys and secret key details are inside this. And I'm going to create two AWS instances. One is Linux Web Server 1. Another one is in the name of Apache Web Server 1. Inside this S3 bucket, I have code to create two S3 buckets, one in the name of demo bucket, another one demo bucket 1. This code is used to create two S3 buckets in my AWS account. This is my desired state. Now I'm going to explain and show you how to create resources in current state. First, I'm going to explain current state. This reflects the actual state of your infrastructure. After applying the Terraform configuration file, Terraform records this state in a file name called terraform.tf state, containing information about the provisioned resources and their configurations. For example, after executing your Terraform configuration, the current state recorded in terraform.tf state would include details of the provisioned EC2 instances, such as its instance ID, IP address, and attached security groups. Now I'm going to show how to make changes by using auto approve code. Applying changes with Terraform. Terraform apply auto approve code. It is used to apply changes to your infrastructure. Terraform apply compares the desired state with the current state to determine the necessary actions to align them. The auto approve flag allows Terraform to proceed with making changes without manual confirmation from the user. For example, running Terraform apply auto approve code would automatically create, update, or delete resources as required to ensure that the infrastructure matches the desired configuration. Now I'm going to show my terraform.tf state. This is my terraform.tf state file. Inside I can able to see details about version, serial, lineage, outputs, resources, empty now. After we apply the Terraform apply code, here lot of codes automatically create inside this resource block. Now I'm going to explain understanding Terraform state files. Terraform.tf state file serves as the primary record of your infrastructure state, containing comprehensive information about provisioned resources, their configurations, and relationships. Now I'm going to explain another major important file in Terraform is terraform.tf state.backup file. This file acts as a backup of a terraform.tf state file, providing a safety net for restoring the previous state in case of errors or inconsistencies during Terraform operations. This will automatically create after executing code by using Windows PowerShell. Here, inside the terraform.state backup file, the code will automatically create inside this file. It will take backup of terraform.tf state file. Now, first I'm going to show auto approve command. I'm going to open my Windows PowerShell. In this, first I'm going to enter into my project directory. I'm going to apply Terraform code, Terraform apply space auto approve, enter. It is used to create resources according to our desired code. It is creating 2 S3 buckets and 2 instances by matching the current state versus desired state. Once it is successfully completed, it creates 4 resources. Now I'm going to show my Visual Studio code. I'm opening my TF state file. Now we can able to see the changes inside the resource block. Inside the block, we can able to see a lot of codes created automatically after executing the Terraform command. This is the details about AWS instance, demo instance, and we can see demo instance 1 Here, second instance, it has details about IP address, security group details, here we can find details about S3 bucket 1, and here we can able to see the details about S3 bucket 2. Terraform state will automatically back up all the resources create inside this AWS console. Now I'm going to explain some basic commands to manage AWS resources with Terraform. First one, Terraform state list command. It provides a detailed list of resources managed by Terraform, facilitating validation, troubleshooting, and gaining insights into infrastructure management. For example, executing Terraform state list would display a list of resources such as EC2 instances, S3 buckets, and VPCs currently managed by Terraform. Now I'm going to show Terraform state list command. Terraform through code how we can able to list the file by using Terraform state list command. If you enter this, you can see the resources currently present inside our AWS account. 2 instances and 2 S3 buckets. Next, I'm going to explain Terraform show command. Another useful command is Terraform show. This command displays a detailed information about managed resources in a human readable format, complementing Terraform state list by providing structured details of resource attributes and dependencies. For example, running Terraform show would present a structured overview of resources like EC2 instances, including their attributes and dependencies. It will show a detailed information about the resources, not only the name of the resources. Now, I'm going to execute Terraform show command. Now we can get details more about this instances. Here it is showing details about AWS instance, IP address, capacity, CPU capacity, private DNS details, root block details, and demo instance 1. Next, S3 bucket, tags. These are shown in the form of Hasika configuration language. This is automatically created by after executing the auto approve code. This is demo bucket 1. Next, I'm going to show another command, which is Terraform state show command. It is used to display detailed information about specific resources state, including its attributes and configurations. For example, executing Terraform state show AWS underscore S3 bucket dot demo hyphen bucket would provide detailed information about the specific resources such as EC2 instance named demo hyphen bucket, including its attributes and configurations. Now I'm going to show this command by using PowerShell. Now we can see details only about the specific resources, which is S3 AWS DevOps bucket. It is showing only single instances, single S3 bucket details. Now we came to the end of this presentation. Conclusion: mastering Terraform state management is critical for efficiently orchestrating changes in infrastructure. By understanding the Terraform state and leveraging Terraform capabilities and commands like Terraform state list and Terraform show, users can efficiently manage and understand their infrastructure state and configuration, enabling effective infrastructure management with Terraform. That's all about Terraform state management. Thank you.